how to buy Polygon coin on Trust Wallet. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to buy Polygon coin on Trust Wallet. So for that case, you have to go and log in into your Trust Wallet account. Also make sure that your device is connected to an internet service and that you've already verified your identity. After you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, you have to go and press the buy button. As you do that, you need to go and type in MATIC. When you type in MATIC, you'll be able to locate the Polygon. You just have to go and select the currency type that you want to convert it to and select or enter the exact amount of asset that you wish to buy. And under it, you have the payment source. So you could either select a bank account or a credit card. Then go ahead and read all of these confirmation and click on buy with credit card or bank account. Then you'll have successfully bought Polygon coin on Trust Wallet. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.